TV.
Yes.
Okay, this happened. Chalo, fair enough. Turn it off. Done. On the TV, by looking this side. Yes. The TV is your this side, Ishan, this side. Bas. You have to stand here and now turn.
Let me try it again. No.
No, it's not happening.
No.
So guys, we have a mirror over here, and what I will do is I'll ask Rishan, put the remote here this side. Yes. Turn on, Rishan, the other button. Turn on.
Is this button?
Ha.
Oh yeah.
And
yes.
see, the TV is on.
Yes.
Yes, because he's seeing the reflection. Come on. Again, Rishan. Turn off by looking at the mirror.
Yes.
We did it. Chalo, now let's do one thing. The TV is here, guys. The TV is here. So we are moving here. Come, Rishan. Okay, Rishan, try here. No, it's not happening.
Let me try it again.
So we are trying to see the reflection. Come on, do it. You have to look here, Rishan. Okay, let's try this side. Rishan, come this side. Come. Yes, we're sitting here. Are you pressing the correct button? Yes, and the TV started here. TV is here, and this is here. Rishan, turn off the TV by looking at the mirror.
Turn on or turn on?
Turn off.
Yes.
And yes, the TV is turned off.
Yes.
Okay, now let's see. Let's try coming here.
Yeah.
The other end. See. So we are here and we are on the other end of the room. Wow, from such a long distance also we are able to turn on. Rishan, turn off the TV. Yes? Chalo. Now one more thing that we can see, which we just now discovered. Rishan, yeah. Look at this window pane and turn on. The TV got on. Why? Because window pane was also acting as a mirror.